It's Sunday, October 8th, 2020, and it's about 1:32 o'clock in the afternoon, Laughlin, Nevada time. Been making videos and taking pictures of the storm that blew in yesterday and been hanging around. It had rained for a few seconds about a half hour ago. If you look at the other videos, you'll see those palm trees and the trees with those houses, and right there is a mountain that's covered by the clouds right now. Must be raining like anything up there. An idea of the end of the clouds. Or you can see the part of the mountain, and the mountain just disappears. And we have a rainbow in the sky. I can't tell if the camera's picking up the rainbow or not. Yes, it can. I see the rainbow. Keep the camera rolling for a while. Keep the camera recording for a while. Boy, am I outdated. We have a big rainbow. Yep. I don't think you'll be able to see it. You got to get.
I see it. I gotta go over here. I see it. Yo, nice. You know?
Yep. The mountain is starting to reappear.
That's nice.
Let's keep the video going. Mountains reappearing. And the rainbow's still there. Oh, blurry. I hope that radio show isn't recorded on this. There's the mountain came back.
I have very bad news for you, Barbara. I'm the one who's been trying to kill you. Was Piano a joke? Subway? Don't scream.
Rainbow's gone,
Good.
but the mountain is back. One last zoom, and we'll end this video.
We're in the middle of the bridge. Long drop would be an idea. They say Steve Brody did it. I don't see how he could have managed it then. Bill, do you? We've got $50,000 in trust, Barbara, which will go to me. Goodbye, Barbara. Get out of my way. Mike, headed your way. Get on. We've got you between us now, Mr. Taker. There's no escaping. No funny business, officer. Fucking work. Stay back, you hear? Stay back.
Come on.
Don't tell me my pocket. You got your takers.
All right, that's it for this one.